Let's wrap our code inside the try and catch block. I will send the error, server error with 500 status code. Let me provide the status. I'm going to provide 500, or let me send the error. You can also log the error. Console.error. Let me specify the error. Now I need to import the song model. Song.create will return the promise. Let me use this method. Here I need to provide the value object. I can apply a wait expression on promise and it will give me the newly created promise. So I can return this promise in the response rest.json. Let me provide the song. I'm going to start the server. Let me try to test that. You can also verify the song collection from the MongoDB. Here is the name of my database, Music API. Here we have our song record.